What's up, dudes? So I'm changing the radiator. Got this cool new Koyorad. You need these stock railings to mount it. So use the angle grinder because this thing is messed up. So this other side had a screw, so I had to unscrew it. Alright, so right here, I still gotta cut this so I could get a wrench, hold it in place, cause you see, these things are supposed to hold the nut in place, but as I spin it, well, now there's nothing to hold it, but this nut moves. So next step is put the stock, guess brackets or railings, whatever, onto new Mishimoto, or not Mishimoto, sorry, freaking Koyorad. So it's for pretty nice and clean. I mean, not really, but better than just rust. Yeah. So take it back out, put it with the trap. So I guess the pointer to get this Koyorad, it does run a little wider, so when you go to bolt it on, it's going to be a little difficult. It's not that hard, you just got to push this side as you try to put the bolt into the threads. So trying to put the two hoses right here, and then put that hose. Yeah, well, that's why. It's not the size. So I'm just gonna go with the flathead. Having a struggle over here. Alright, next, put back on this air box. So it's just 3 bolts. So these are also 10 mils. Just do it tight enough. Basically, it won't move anymore. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, you see, this was brand new coolant, but that radiator must be rusty. You know, it was just all bad, so not a good radiator overall. And I was having a hard time putting these ones on. See if you can see this one and this one. They're a little hard to get to, but I ended up doing this from the bottom. Just doing it. I had to put this sensor back on. Got all twisty and stuff. But I think this time I'm just gonna unplug it and then twist it on so I don't twist the wires, mess it up. So just so I don't get mistaken, put a black electrical tape to this one and this one, just so I know which one goes to which. Okay, so alright, I'm gonna do this off camera. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Ended up dropping those pliers in the damn drain pan. Got coolant all over the place. And that's cool. Let's fill it up.